Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to unmute a chat using shortcuts on the WhatsApp app for PC. Whether you've muted a conversation and want to start receiving notifications again, or you're just curious about how this works, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it. First, make sure the WhatsApp application is open on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so to access your chats. Once inside, take a moment to locate the chat that's currently muted. Muted chats are typically marked with a small mute icon next to them, making them easy to identify. Now that you've found the chat you want to unmute, simply click on it to enter the conversation. This step ensures that the chat is active and ready for the shortcut command. Here comes the magic part. On your keyboard, press Ctrl + Shift + M simultaneously. That's it. Your chat is now unmuted. Notifications for this conversation will be restored immediately, allowing you to stay updated with messages from this contact or group. This shortcut is incredibly handy and works seamlessly across individual and group chats. It saves time and eliminates the need to navigate through menus manually. Whether you're managing a busy group or reconnecting with an important contact, this quick method lets you stay in control of your notifications effortlessly. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to unmute chats on WhatsApp using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from learning these shortcuts. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.